Hi students, I hope you will learn about the previous topic and you have already know about the pH that we have discussed in the previous lecture. Today we will discuss about the Kw and its importance. What is the importance of Kw? Is actually per water constant. Importance of Kw. Kw is actually temperature dependent, and in any aqueous solution the product of H plus ion concentration and OH minus ion concentration is always equal to 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 14. We have already discussed about this one, that when these two ions together, it will be just equal to this one value. So this is actually the product. It is in the multiplicative form, that this value will become from the multiplication of these ions. That's why we called it as the product of H plus ion concentration. CONC dot stand for concentration, and OH ion concentration is always equal to this one value. We have already discussed about this one topic in the previous lecture. Remember that if the concentration of H plus ion increases, the concentration of OH minus ions will be decreases. So the product of the two is still equal to this one value, as we have shown through this expression. Now what will happen if the concentration of OH minus ion increases? Obviously the solution will be basic. If the concentration of OH minus ion will increases, H plus will be decreases, so the solution will be basic. When this H plus, the concentration of H plus ion is just equal to the concentration of OH minus ion for every ion. For each ion, here you see that this one is for this one and this for this one. So the solution is neutral. Mathematically we have already explained it in the pH lecture. Now if the concentration of H plus ion is greater than this value, so the solution will be acidic. If the concentration of H plus ion is less than this value, the solution will be basic. Acidic means that the concentration of H plus ion will be increases and the concentration of OH minus ion will be decreases. Basic means that the concentration of OH minus ion will be increases and the concentration of H plus ion will be decreases. pH. These are the important points which you have to remember, that if pH is greater than 7, the solution will be basic and the concentration of OH minus ion will be increases and H plus ion will be decreases. And if pH is less than 7, the solution is acidic, H plus increases and OH minus will be decreases. If you have any question regarding this one topic and or the previous topics, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.